Start slicing with the small core spiral slicing blade using your KitchenAid Spiralizer with peel, core, and slice attachment. Secure the attachment onto your KitchenAid stand mixer with the skewer and fruit or vegetable in place. If you want to peel and slice, be sure to install the peeler blade first onto the attachment by sliding it into the bottom of the blade carrier. Click into place. Then insert the small core slicing blade into the holder at the top. Pull the release lever, then push the blade carrier towards the stand mixer and align the blade core with the center of your food. Press the blade core into the fruit or vegetable for added stability. Move the lever to the stir speed and gradually increase it to speed 4. The small core spiral slicing blade is great for zucchini and beets. The Spiralizer with peel, core, and slice attachment, spinning new creations in your kitchen. From KitchenAid.